primetime news this evening, developed countries pledge hundreds of millions to help vulnerable nations like Jamaica combat climate change. TVJ News reports from Dubai. Border clash, Venezuela and Guyana close to dispute over oil-rich South American lands. And later, surprising defense. Portland residents upset illegal Haitian migrants being sent home.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air, online at onespotmedia.com, and to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Now, coming up in business news, I thought this particular thing was a shocker, that local pork consumption is low. And we'll tell you what the players in the industry are doing to address that.
Especially at Christmas, huh?
Yeah.
Well, Jermaine Brown is also here, and he'll give us a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports. Jermaine?
Thanks, Herman. Well, I'll tell you what the players in football, what they're doing. Well, the Reggae Boys, they've ensured that they'll be one of the seeded teams for next year's World Cup qualifiers. We'll tell you about that and lots more a bit later on.
And Romain has our weather preview. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, over the weekend, we're expecting dry conditions to be persistent right across most of the island. It's not until next week that we could see some shore activity affecting sections of inland areas.
All right. Now, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what do you know about climate change and what are you prepared to do to help reduce its effects?
Now, you can share your comments online. That's facebook.com/television Jamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Yes. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.